In this video, we are going to take a look at the Manfrotto 190X3 tripod legs. If you're a photographer or videographer, you know how important it is to have a stable and versatile tripod. And the Manfrotto 190X3 is a professional grade tripod that's designed to handle a wide variety of cameras and equipment. It features sturdy aluminum legs that can support up to 33 pounds of weight, which makes it ideal for DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, and cinema cameras. The legs can be adjusted to 4 different angles, allowing you to get the perfect shot no matter where you are. This tripod features a 3/8" screw on the top with a wide mounting plate, allowing you to use a variety of heads with quick releases on it. Whenever you install a head, you will want to tighten the set screw underneath the column. I also really appreciate that this has a 3/8" mount on the side of the tripod for accessories and a hook for adding sandbags or weight. Another cool feature of this tripod is that the center column can be fully removed and the bottom plate can be slotted into the tripod, which allows you to get incredibly low shots. The tripod weighs 4.4 pounds and it measures 23¼ inches long when folded. It can work at a minimum of 3½ inches with the legs fully open and that low angle adapter attached. The maximum height of the tripod is 63 inches with the center column fully extended, and it's 53 inches with the center column unextended. The 190X3 can support weight up to 33 pounds. I've used it with a variety of fluid heads, ball heads, mirrorless cameras, and cinema cameras, and I've been very pleased with the stability and durability. In conclusion, the 190X3 tripod legs are a great, simple, sturdy, and durable investment for any photographer or videographer who wants a great tripod. I would definitely add this tripod to your collection. I have links for these tripod legs and all the different Manfrotto ball heads and fluid heads I've used with these in the description below.